Understanding crypto wallets. Which one is for you? Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency. If you're new here, you're not alone. Many people are just beginning their journey into this revolutionary technology. Cryptocurrency has opened the door to decentralized financial systems, putting power and control into the hands of individuals like you. But before you dive in, one essential tool you need to understand is the crypto wallet. Choosing the right wallet may seem overwhelming, especially with so many options available. Not to worry, by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what crypto wallets are, how they function, and which one fits your needs. So let's get started together. A crypto wallet is more than a digital version of the wallets you have in your pocket. Sure, it holds something valuable, but instead of cash or physical cards, it stores your cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others. But here's an important detail. Crypto wallets don't physically store your coins. Instead, they store the private and public keys associated with your cryptocurrency. These keys are essentially the codes that allow you to access and manage your funds on the blockchain. In simpler terms, a wallet helps you interact with the blockchain, making transactions and holding your cryptocurrencies securely. Think of it as a cryptographic safe. Your private key is the key to open it, and your public key is like your mailing address to receive funds. Without these keys, you can't access your crypto. That's why choosing the right wallet and using it properly is crucial. All crypto wallets fall into two main categories: hot wallets and cold wallets. Let's break these down so you can better understand what they offer. Hot wallets are internet-connected wallets. Since they are always online, they are ready to process transactions quickly. These wallets come in various forms, such as mobile apps, desktop applications, or even web-based services. When might you want a hot wallet? If you're someone who plans to make frequent or daily transactions, such as trading, transferring funds, or staking your holdings, a hot wallet is a convenient choice. Think of it like the checking account you use for frequent spending. However, because they're connected to the internet, hot wallets are more susceptible to hacking attempts. It's like leaving your money in a wallet that's easily accessible, a great choice for small amounts, but not ideal for storing large sums. Cold wallets, unlike hot wallets, are offline. These wallets are not connected to the internet, which makes them significantly more secure. Cold wallets can take the form of physical hardware devices or even paper wallets, where your private key is printed on a piece of paper. Cold wallets are great for long-term investors, also known as hodlers. If you plan to purchase cryptocurrency and hold on to it for months or years, a cold wallet is the safest option. Think of it as your personal safe or vault for storing valuables. While the added security is appealing, cold wallets do come with trade-offs. They're less convenient for quick transactions, and you'll need to keep the physical wallet secure to avoid losing it. Let's take a closer look at the benefits and drawbacks of hot wallets so you can decide if they're the right choice for you. Pros. User-friendly. Hot wallets are typically straightforward and easy to use, even for beginners. Convenient access. As they're always online, you can access your funds from anywhere with an internet connection. Great for daily traders. Perfect for frequent transactions and moving your funds quickly. Cons? Less secure. Being online opens the door to potential hacking or phishing attacks. Limited for long-term storage. Not ideal for those looking to store large amounts of crypto for years. Cold wallets also have their strengths and weaknesses, making them the best choice for certain users but not for others. Pros? High security. Because they're offline, they are nearly immune to online hacking attempts. Best for long-term storage. If security is your top concern, cold wallets are unbeatable. Cons? Less convenient. You'll need to plan ahead if you want to transfer funds from a cold wallet due to its offline nature. Physical risks. Losing or damaging the device or paper could result in permanent loss of your cryptocurrency. Now that you know about both types, how do you decide which wallet fits your unique needs? Here are the 4 key factors to consider. If you're just starting out, simplicity is essential. Look for wallets designed with beginners in mind, with intuitive interfaces and clear instructions. Hot wallets like mobile apps often score higher in ease of use. Do you need to access your wallet anytime, anywhere? Or are you okay with a wallet that stays in a secure location like a safe? Mobile wallets are highly portable, while cold wallets, such as hardware devices, require intentional access. How much security do you need? If you're dealing with large amounts of cryptocurrency or plan to hold your funds indefinitely, prioritize security features, such as support for private keys and multi-factor authentication. Cold wallets excel in this aspect. Are you planning to trade frequently or hold for the long term? Day-to-day traders may prefer hot wallets for convenience, while long-term holders are better off with the robust security of a cold wallet. Here are some trusted wallet options to get you started. Mobile and web wallets. MetaMask, blockchain.com, or Coinbase Wallet for convenient hot wallet options. Desktop wallets. Exodus or Atomic Wallet for those who want desktop functionality. Hardware wallets. Ledger Nano X or Trezor for secure cold storage. Paper wallets for budget-conscious users who prioritize offline storage, though less popular today. Each of these wallets has different features. For example, MetaMask is popular for interacting with decentralized applications, dApps on Ethereum, while Ledger provides ultra-secure hardware encryption. As a beginner, there are pitfalls you'll want to avoid to keep your crypto safe. Here are a few. Losing your private key. Remember, your private key is your lifeline to accessing funds. Without it, your crypto is inaccessible. Falling for scams. Be cautious of phishing emails or fake wallet apps. Always download wallet software directly from official websites. Overlooking compatibility. Make sure the wallet you choose supports the cryptocurrencies you plan to hold. Skipping backups. Regularly back up your wallet and securely store any recovery phrases provided. To make your onboarding even easier, here's a quick step-by-step look at setting up hot and cold wallets. Download a wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet from the official website or App Store. Create an account and set up a strong password. Write down your recovery phrase and store it securely. It's your backup if you lose access. Once inside, you'll see your wallet address. Use this address to send or receive cryptocurrency. Purchase a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano X from the manufacturer directly. Follow the instructions to initialize the device and set it up. Write down your recovery phrase and store it offline in multiple secure locations. Transfer your cryptocurrency from an exchange or hot wallet to your cold wallet's address. No wallet is one size fits all. The best choice depends on your crypto goals, security preferences, and usage frequency. Keeping these considerations in mind allows you to make a secure and informed decision. It's also worth noting that wallet security doesn't stop at choosing the right one. Regularly update your software wallets, be mindful of phishing attempts, and always store your recovery phrases securely. Congratulations on beginning your crypto journey. By understanding the fundamentals of crypto wallets, you've taken a crucial first step in securing your financial future in the blockchain world. Now you have the insight to choose between hot wallets for convenience or cold wallets for security, or perhaps a combination of both. Remember, taking control of your crypto is about more than just storage. It's about empowering yourself with financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Explore wallet options, start small, and grow your knowledge over time. Your crypto adventure begins now. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and share it with someone who may find it useful.